Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, and I thank God for this far, guys, and also I thank you for clicking these videos and by watching full length of my videos, guys. So I rush up from home here right now, so this is where I'm living right now, and technically I'm heading to Nyabohansi, guys, with my baby. So I'm going to pick my uncle right now. So he came from Nairobi. Actually, it's around, let me check the time. So it's a bright morning, and it's almost 07:34 a.m. That is my local time here. And also I thank God for the gift of life, man. So to see a bright morning like this, wow. So this is where I'm living right now, and we're so happy. We're so happy, and I'm so proud of myself, what I'm doing in this family. So technically I want to close the door before I leave, and at the same time, guys, I have the visitor today at my home here. So I think maybe he was waiting me outside. So first I'm going to pick from the bus station, and then I drop to his home. Wow, this is my pup here. Wow, so I want to clean up my baby because I'm running with time. So and then I'll come to take them outside right now. So guys, so let me check my visitor outside before. Oh, dagitianit tunankija hike nyabu atankija hike ni kimontonit.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Hello Baby, his channel. I'm here. It's early in the morning in the village, yeah? And yeah, we are at home. There is a lot coming, so definitely stay connected with Hello Baby channel. Also go check me, Brother Dagi. And we want to at least to have a view of the project that Hello Baby doing here in the village. And definitely let's go, guys. Watch this video until the end because the video is still going.
Guys, he was my visitor for today because I'm rushing somewhere else, and then I'll come back. You do company with these people?
Yes.
Okay, wait me some few minutes, I'll come back. Oh guys, I want to take my baby outside, man. I'm telling you, even I forget to wear the jacket. This is crazy. I'm telling you, man, this is crazy. Wow, guys. I'm looking jacket on a dark place, but let's see whether I can find the jacket here. Sorry guys for interaction. I'm trying to look the jacket. Oh wow, I wear like this because of time. Wow. Oh guys, wow. So it's almost 25 minutes to 25 minutes to go. Guys, let me take the key here and then take my baby outside. Wow. So it's time to take. Oh, it's calling me. Hello. Nimefika hapa na Duvesco. Karibu hapa na Mastermind hapa. Guys, we had the call, so stay tuned, guys. They need a custom. They need a customer. They want to steal on that car. Wow, guys. You see? That's the luggage, man. Anyway, guys, so I reached Nyabohanse. So far, so good. I'm waiting my uncle here. So, wow. Technically, guys, I'm waiting him here, and I just rush up. So, at the same time, I have my visitor at home, Brother Dagi. After this, I'm going to communicate. So after this, guys, I'm going to communicate with my visitor today. At the same time, I came here to pick my uncle from. He came from Nairobi. So for those people who don't know who I'm talking about David Jr. Big shout out to him. And my baby is just over there. So right now, I'm just around here waiting that bus. So let me check the time. So it's 7:47. I use like 13 minutes from my home, driving crazy up to here. So let's keep going. Wow. Keep going, and I think the bus will come from here. So he also have the luggage. I'll pick him and with his own luggage. So there is, the moment I see the bus here, I run up to other side. Wow! Look, man. See, wow. So I'm telling you, I'm just around here. I'm waiting him, man. Wow. Okay, so in case you're new here on today's videos, let me know what do you think about these videos. Man, it's so crazy. I see the bus from the far end. Whoa. Go. Man, I think that's the bus coming from my back. See this one? I think so. Whoa. And I left my bike. Whoa. I think it's him. Hey. Fresh, man. Wanna see ride? Aye. From this bus here. Aye. Maybe I'll pick you. The comparison, you don't know skip up. You don't know skip up. In corner shoot. Aye. That's the Junior, guys. So let me bring my bike right now. It's crazy, guys. You see another one? Okay, guys, so we shall coming back from the bus station with.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David Jr. and I will come in your YouTube channel, not my channel. And I will come in live from home. This is how it is. I'd missed home and everything, and unfortunately I'll be leaving today to the capital. It's an emergency by itself. So yeah, it's good to be back home. Everything looks so fresh. The dogs are sleeping, and this is where I come from by God's grace. And yeah, it's a beautiful day to be alive, and I love everything about the village life. This is what I miss when maybe I'm far away from home. The food, the ugali, even right now they're almost to prepare. And yeah, it's amazing to be here.
Sure, guys. How was Nairobi?
Nairobi was good. Everything was well. I can't complain. Everything went as I expected. I thank God, and yeah, the best is yet to come. We keep grinding so hard. Hey, even the dogs are making some love here. Hey. But I came to learn that even the animals, they are kind of like human beings, you know? Yeah. So how has been life here?
Life is good. We tried to grinding hard. Hey, be careful with your phone.
Oh, this is my phone. Yeah. That's around 200,000 Kenyan
Yeah, and then you
shillings.
spoil.
Think it's a joke?
Yes, I know the
These
price.
are around 200,000 Kenyan shillings.
Yes.
Yeah.
So life is good here, but we tried to grinding so hard
Yeah.
to put something on table, guys.
That's the way to go. Any
Yes.
challenges that you are facing on YouTube?
Challenges. I didn't face challenges, but I'm trying to avoid from dramas and mind my own project. You
What
know,
do-
I'm a project manager.
What do you mean by drama?
Drama. So right now our village is more toxic. But even you didn't have any
Okay, who
clue.
is knocking? Okay, let's go and see.
He doesn't have any clue. I bought the land from a friend down here.
Oh wow,
Yes.
that's amazing. Let me check who is knocking. Okay, let's see. Shikang. Ya karibu. Salama.
Kumbuka kweli? Ama hii sura muioni vizuri?
Nakukumbuka kabisa.
Asante sana.
Baba Ashley, si ndio?
Good.
Ni mara yako ya kwanza kuja hapa?
Ni mara yangu hata nimeulizia.
Oh.
Imenibidi niulizie.
Tulikuanga tunaishi Nyabwanse.
Nimeenda mpaka pale.
Oh, ukapata kulibomolewa kuna jengo.
Hata mmesha kashindwa kwani hii kenya yetu hii imenishika.
Well, guys, so I'm outside. So right now we shall meet with David Junior over there. But actually, he sent for me once for buying tomatoes and all stuff, guys. Anyway, we shall meet on the next videos. But I'm creating that videos here. So I pick him in the morning, and actually, I thank God, man, when he was arrived here. When he's staying maybe around on this compound, he saved me on some time, maybe in terms of fuel. He saved me, and okay, I said thank you. So for now, it's time to leave. Guys, I'm going to market to purchase some tomatoes, and stay tuned, guys. Wow, guys, so I'm keep hitting the road, going to Nyabwanse market to purchase some tomatoes. So guys, this is how it is, and we thank God for living on this beautiful village, and everything is super green. As you can see from right, left and center, somehow green. Wow. So I'm outside with my baby, and guys, that's how I normally do in my village here. So I struggle. At the end of the day, I managed to shoot a video, and guys, you watch until the end. So in case you meet these videos and you are new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Wow, it's time to go. Look at this. And just super amazing view from my village. I'm telling you. Wow, police post here. Oh. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next videos while I'm heading to market to purchase tomatoes, guys. Right here, right here. Wow. Oh. Right here.
Yes. Funga hizi kubwa. So guys, I'm just at the market here purchasing tomatoes. Funga hizi zimeiva kubwa kubwa. Asa 50 ni ngapi? 4. Sio 5. Funga. Eka hii. Eka hata hii. Hii ni ndogo. Eka hii. Ayo tabira poko munyamba. Kana ni gonga inisi.
Ama hii.
Okay. Stanengeza takadogo jamani. Yes, that. So less than $1 get tomato. Okay. Aya, nipatie na kifuko cha 10 bob. Okay, so these tomatoes have coriander, have sardines, have orange, man, a lot, and some eggs. Ay, si nimekulipa hela, bado kifuko. Usemi, mimi nikienda utaraumu nani. You have mangoes, Irish potatoes, onions, man. These are small business but well organized.
Well guys, so I came from where I came from, and I was promising my visitor here. So today I host him for the second time on my channel. And actually guys, you had the cook. It's all morning. So since morning I was wake up in the morning, so he came and pay a visitor, and I was on rush condition, so I'm trying to rush up, but I'm telling him you just wait me here, and he pay a patient and he wait me and I do my own stuff. So today guys, live, let me introduce
what's up guys, welcome each and everyone to Hello Baby, his YouTube channel here. Kindly please consider by subscribing to Hello Baby official YouTube channel, and also guys go check me at Brother Dagi YouTube channel guys. And right now we are here, it's early in the morning, and this is my YouTube channel guys. Let me show you
Brother Dagi YouTube channel guys.
Kindly please go check me, subscribe to my channel, support me, and also support Hello Baby. We are here at Hello Baby, his project.
Yes, I'm just at around my home. My baby's over there, and actually guys, you say I left my jacket there, so I wake up in the morning. So
wow. And there is some videos I'm watching on your channel, like you are giving Monkia. Big shout out to Monkia guys.
Monkia. You know what?
Wow.
As long as one done for you something which is good, you appreciate for that.
And big shout out to all supporters, and big shout out to all donors that you are supporting us here in the village. And big shout out to you guys, because you are amazing people. You are the one who making us here. We are shining here in the village. And there is a lot coming guys. So we are happy because through your support, we are here.
Okay.
Through your support, we are shining guys, and much respect to you guys. And for all subscriber, salute to you guys, and welcome back to the village here in Nyabohanse, because we need at least to support our friends, our neighbors.
Okay.
And today I have come here to visit Hello Baby official, because right now here Hello Baby, you can show them
In case,
yeah,
for
because
you,
Hello Baby,
maybe
they have a biggest project here.
in case guys, maybe Brother Dagi stand here because of the sun. Guys, I want to say, because Brother Dagi, we are watching my videos maybe since I was starting this structure.
Yeah.
So maybe 100 of people percent watch these videos rather than you, so you prove it's right.
Yeah, this is the reality, and I'm telling you the truth. You know, here in the village here, when someone doing something else, and when your support comes, for real, we thank you guys, because you are doing amazing work for us. And God bless you, all of you, because you are amazing people, you are good people, and we want to thank you guys, because you can see some improvement that you have done
over there, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you a million for those people that keep supporting me.
Yes, guys.
And let me ask you one question.
Yeah.
How about Qatar? Because we're working there over 2 years.
Yeah, you know, Qatar, there is a lot challenges. One thing, for example, you see here in the home, you see this is the maze, and the climate of here home, it's very nice.
Just like
Yeah.
moderate somehow.
Yeah, climate
hot,
is very nice.
cold.
But there in Qatar,
It's purely hot.
Gulf country, it's very hot. The climate is very hot because there 24/7 it's summertime. And you can find outside, you cannot survive when you are outside for like 5 hours, 6 hours, you cannot. Even when you are walking around, it's about 15 minutes, 10 minutes, you are back in the house. So right now, I think from this month starting, it's winter time. And the winter, guys, they know how winter comes. It's very cold. But most of the time, entire of like from January to November, it's summertime.
At least,
sun.
guys, brother,
And
Dagi
you
have an
cannot survive
experience.
without AC. You see there, every house, you have to use AC. Without AC, you cannot survive. It's very hot. Even when you are trying to breathe in and out, you feel like
You are something else.
yes, you are something else.
So-
And sweating there, you every time you are like this. So you need to walk with handkerchief because you are sweating. It's heat, my friend. There it's heat.
Okay,
Not
okay,
even
okay.
sun like sun. There it's heat.
Apart from that,
Yeah.
how Qatari people treat you as a Kenyan?
There is a lot of Kenyan there, and there is a lot of people.
No. Direct
like
to the
me,
point.
Like me.
How Qatar people
Yes.
treat you as a Kenyan?
You know, guys, I was working in the hotel, but this hotel,
You call restaurant?
yeah, restaurant. It's 7-star restaurant. So there, it's about different countries people you are meeting with them there. And then from there, we are going back to those place where we are living. We call it accommodation. So when we go back there, because we have a lot of Kenyans, so my room, I was staying with Kenyans only. Yeah, so I was staying with Kenyans, and then from there I go to work, but there is different people from another countries. So for me, I get some like challenge when you are approaching like a Qatari, and you know, most of them, they doesn't talk English. So conversation. So and then
In other way, we call
Yes.
language barrier.
language, yes. So
Language
sometimes
barrier.
communication. And also there is a lot of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, all those countries, they are there. So it's not that all of them, they know English, but they recommend English because English is the only language that you can understand each other. So if someone doesn't understand, so you try to show them with signs. Welcome here, come like this. Where are you going? You show them some signs. Yeah, so you direct them at least. And if they are there, they need something. So there is some English word and the Arabic word. So when he show you like with the Arabic word, so in that thing there is everything is there. There is trans communication.
We
there.
called Google Translator.
Yeah. So it's there. So if we show you, because you know English little, so you understand. Yeah, and then you direct that person where he is going.
Apart from that,
Yes.
did you attend any culture from since you stayed there like 2 years?
Yes.
Did you interact with some culture from Qatar or Saudi? We called Arabic.
Arabic.
Did you interact with some cultures?
Yes, you know, culture is like for them, they are Muslim. So 24/7, these people, they went to pray. So sometimes they convince you to join Arabic prayers.
In other way, in
That's-
simple way,
yes.
they say.
And then they're also the food of them. It's culture food. So so sometimes it's very challenging.
You
my
can't
friend.
find ugali.
Yes, you can't find ugali there, and there is you know their food. Now the biggest challenge is food.
Ugali.
No. You know the food of there, it's different.
You eat spaghetti.
Yes. No,
Indomie.
even for them, they are cooking those things and mixing
Yes.
a lot of things.
Like
So
they can mix rice with
a
spaghetti.
lot of things. So, my friend, it's very hard. my
Nowadays you grow big, my friend.
No, my friend,
I'm
this-
telling you.
friend. This is my stomach. I'm
No,
trying
no.
to fix it.
Hey, look, guys.
2 years. What about 4 years? Will be like,
bro,
big like
there are some people there more than 5 years, but they are surviving. So it's a matter. You are the one who choose which kind of life do you need. You see? Yeah, guys. So we are here, and there is a lot and a lot coming, guys.
I supposed to ask one question from brother
Yes,
Dagi.
Ask, bro. Ask. If you want to know anything, ask. Because if I know, also I will answer you. And there
So
is-
you work there as a maybe your boss pay you as a salary, a monthly salary, or not yet? Maybe
No, you know, I was working with
a company.
a company, but the company doesn't have job. So these people, they are going outside there, they look some project. So when they get project where you can work, now they employ you there. So me, I get a job in a restaurant. 1 minute, guys.
Okay, guys, a minute.
One
My
minute.
friend is receiving the
Yeah,
call.
I'm
Okay.
good. In a restaurant. So I was like a tour guide in that restaurant.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Okay. You
it's
direct people.
Yeah, I direct the guests. So if the guests come, the guests, they need to visit that hotel because it's a 7-star hotel. So you are the one who directing the guest. Where do you want to go? Which because there is a lot of restaurant inside that building. So you are the one who directing the guest. Go here, go there. What do you need? So that was my job, guys, and I thank God for the moment. There is a lot of things there, and I have experienced a lot of things. So right now, if I need to work in a
restaurant.
7-star hotel in the restaurant, I have some experience, guys. Maybe there is some of our subscriber you don't know. Maybe he has the biggest hotel, and then he can like decide, oh, let me pick this guy and he can work to me here.
Okay, guys, I want to say thank you so much. Maybe if you're watching from Qatar, big shout out to you. We just maybe to see what my brother since 2 years
Yes, guys.
left from my village experience, and I want to say thank you so much. You treat him accordingly, and guys, in our village here, life is simple compared to the city, and maybe in the city people like you
Life
purchase
is hard.
everything,
Everything.
everything you
Life
buy,
is
you buy
hard,
this,
guys.
but in our village, man, you have the maize there pure, and I want to say thank you so much for those people that keep supporting me.
Yeah.
Don't forget, guys, I'm on the process of fixing tiles, so I don't want to show you maybe every day that toilet there. So maybe for the first time, I want to show brother Dagi.
Yes, guys.
Come along with me.
And kindly subscribe, share, comment.
Come on. Yeah. So guys, I want to say I'm not perfect on this, but I'm showing brother Dagi for the first time.
Yes, guys.
And I'm hosting him for free on my channel.
Thank you,
guys,
bro.
show him
Thank
some
you, bro,
love.
for your support.
Yes, guys. So I know much of people watch this structure here or
Yeah.
building,
Yes.
but for the brother Dagi,
Yes,
let me show
because
him.
there is
Maybe if tomorrow he can build a toilet, he
Yes.
can learn something from me.
Yeah, it's
something
true. So, guys, there is a project coming from my side, and I will start with rest washroom, and then from there,
Rest?
no, it's washroom or
No, you call it rest washroom. Like this one.
yes, this one it's a rest washroom. Yeah, because it's modern washroom. You know English, it's not water, guys.
Okay, this one, I'm
Yeah.
trying to make a simple toilet.
Yes.
Simple maybe washroom. Like my mom can use this one and also have its own toilet.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, guys, kindly please.
Oh, it
this
can
is-
fit
yeah.
2 people inside.
Yes, it can.
And you're
because
so
it's,
big.
it's very big. You can see.
Even you are so big.
Wow, you're
So I'm
doing
trying
amazing
to
work.
create a structure which is big
Yes.
or wide because you have bigger body,
Yeah.
bigger side of the body.
Yeah. So, guys, this is the one of the best project Hello Baby he's doing here at the home village, and we want to thank you for your support. And soon, even me, I will start slowly, because you are the one who at least you have now experience. Okay, so you will advise me how I will do it. Okay, yeah.
Maybe brother Dagi.
Yes.
when you start building, you can
Yes.
ask me.
Yeah.
According to me, you
Yeah.
just put material on the ground.
Yes.
If you have everything, when you
Yes.
start building, my
Yes.
friend, from scratch,
Yes.
up this,
Yeah.
my friend, it's like wow.
Wow.
Nywa.
Bro,
Mambo
congratulations.
nywa.
Congratulations for
Thank
what you are
you.
doing. You are doing amazing work, bro.
Imagine,
Yeah, this is very nice.
this is my
man.
mom washroom.
Wow.
And I try to think,
Yeah.
what about my mom modern house?
Wow.
3-bedroom.
Imagine.
So you try to create that intention.
yes, yes.
Wow. Now Hello Baby can build a toilet like this.
Yes.
What about her mom dream house?
This is very nice, bro. And congratulations.
Uh-huh.
A lot of people here in the village, to afford to build like this. Even me, I myself, I don't have it like this.
Man, it's
But
God.
we will
It's God's
try
prayer,
to make
man.
it, yeah.
Man, it's
So that's
God's
why
prayer.
I'm giving you congratulations,
Thank
because
you,
this is the one of the amazing project that you are doing in the village. And our supporters, much respect to you, because you are the one who making this, and you are the one who making us to shine.
Okay.
Big shout out to you, our supporters, and welcome to Nyabohanze village. Visit here, enjoy with us. There is a lot of amazing things coming, guys. And big shout out to I am Marwa, because bro, big shout out to you where you are. If you are watching this video, we salute you, brother Marwa. We respect you because you are the one who making all these things to happen. And
Yeah, I'm not sure.
through you, Marwa, through you, you are amazing, bro. I respect you, man.
And apart from
You know,
that,
Marwa is the one who make me to go in Qatar, but people doesn't know.
okay.
You know, people was asking like, you know, your boss Marwa. Most of them, they was asking me like that. Why you are not traveling? But one
Okay.
day, God make it happen.
Apart from that,
One day,
apart
God
from
make
that,
it happen. Yes.
apart from that,
Yes.
we give big thanks to Ayamara.
Yes.
And we are not praising him.
You know-
we just like we
Yes.
give him some respect.
Yeah.
Okay, from that,
Yes.
you just learn something new
Let
from
me
him.
tell you something that people doesn't know. Me, I was working with Maro, but I get some ideas from
Oh,
Maro.
I remember you
Yes.
were the first driver for Ayamara before
Yes,
Gitriba.
yes, before Gitriba. You know, I'm the one who connected Gitriba to Maro. Yes. So I was getting some statics. Maro told me, don't fear what you are doing. You just do it. Every day do it. One day you will make it. In that time I was not even having a passport. But you know, through Maro, I came with brain now how I can get a passport. I was with Maro how I can get a passport. Definitely with 1 month, God opened the way I get a passport. In the same time, through those friends you see that the friend can see you here and there and support you. One friend, he decided to support me, and I went there.
We went to
For the
Qatar.
first time I traveled.
Okay, guys, thank you so much.
Yes.
Guys, welcome again. So I'm just over here at 3-bedroom. Wow. This is a washroom, toilet. Look at this. I'm just to give you random quick tour. Wow. This is a visitor room. And for now, guys, I'm rushing too. I'm looking for my mason. Kenny,
Yeah.
what's up?
Fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
Guys, this is also my mason. He was the one who fixed the tiles.
Yeah.
Although the time is limit. You see, guys. So when he finished this work, man, come back to my project.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah, Ken V254 right here. Yeah, you can see today I'm the carpenter. And,
Imagine this.
yeah, the last time I was in this channel, I was
A mason
yeah.
fixing the tiles.
Yeah. Yeah.
One day you'll be a pilot.
No, I don't think I'll be a pilot. Maybe another thing. I'm different from pilot. You know, to ride an aeroplane leads a lot.
God bless you with so many talent.
Yeah.
My friend.
I'm multi-talented. Yeah.
You have sharp brain. Hey. But that's what I'm being on. Someone on a higher condition. Guys, I'm calling that guy to get a shout out. So them. Hey. Say hi. Introduce yourself, bro. Me, I'm just rushing up.
Hi, my name is Joseph Fisher. That is my name of YouTube channel.
Be louder, or you are hungry.
I'm hungry.
Joseph?
Joseph Official 01.
And also you are a YouTuber.
Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Here I'm just for one, and if there is the first time,
Just for?
just for one. Yeah, and if there is the first time to see me on this platform, please check.
Hey, you are from Jamaica, serious?
No. Yeah, guys, consider subscribing.
Okay, guys, the only thing they need is to subscribe. Me, I'm going, guys, because I'm hungry. Can it be? Yes. Maybe I shall see you maybe next week.
Yeah,
Today's on.
Remind to share my link so
Yes.
that some of
Okay, maybe next week I want you to resume on my construction because I want to finish up and then I'm heading to the biggest project ever.
yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm giving you a quick tour, random tour. Imagine, this is another room. Oh, man, building's not easy. Sitting room, look. Wow, kitchen over there. Oh. So guys, anyway, I'm feel so hungry and I'm heading to the small restaurant. Man, this stomach, no jokes. 20, one-on-one.
We are just going to lunch for lunch.
Welcome,
Lunchtime.
guys.
Yeah.
We are here at Fellow the Boy.
Yeah, since morning, I feed this guy shout out 24 hours.
Oh,
Big shout out
Hey.
to you
yeah,
guys.
you know he's upcoming YouTuber. Do you have a channel?
Yes, I have
Yeah,
a
he's
channel,
upcoming
guys.
YouTuber, so he still have that morale.
Yes.
Yeah. But now, guys, welcome to Hello Baby YouTube channel. My name is Fellow the Boy. We have been here, chilling here and around as brothers here. And now, Brother Dagi want to take us for lunch now here.
Wow,
So,
guys.
we don't know where we are going. We don't know what you're going to eat, but just follow this video. Maybe Hello Baby will be able to reveal for you where we will be when we have reached there. So we are out of the
Okay.
gate now, outside. Our motorbikes have been parked
Yes.
here,
Yes, guys.
waiting for us to start the journey. The sun is very hot.
Yeah, the
Very
sun
hot.
is very hot.
Sun is very hot.
Yes.
That means that maybe we're gonna be having some rain, maybe, or
Yes.
or it is last drought time.
Yeah.
We're not sure. So continue enjoying this video, guys. In case you haven't checked, please, you are messing up if you haven't checked.
And Fellow the Boy, I want to plan one day to come. You done for me a house tour for 3-bedroom.
Yeah.
But I know your house, it's around maybe 70 by 70 length.
But very big, so we'll
That's
just
big.
be having explanation step by step.
I need 50 by 50, but 3-bedroom.
Oh, yours, huh?
Yes,
Oh,
it
it
can
will be.
cost 10,000 bricks.
Yeah, it will be enough because I remember me I had 14,000 bricks and it constructed for me the house and the
This
store.
one here.
Yeah,
So I need it for 10,000.
yeah. If you get 10,000, it will be enough, and it will also because sometimes when you burn bricks, you can't hope that all of them will be okay. Some
Let
of
me
them-
say around maybe 8,000.
Yeah.
2,000 goes maybe bad. I
Yeah.
use 8,000 to
Yes,
build.
yes. So that approximately 10,000, and your house that you want to, you can just build as this one, but you can reduce the.
That's my mom 3-bedroom house.
You reduce
For
the
me,
rooms.
I'm okay with the Amadi house.
Okay.
That's for my mom.
Proud for mom, guys. If you're
Okay.
watching this video, our moms, big up and God bless you a lot.
Thank you guys.
Welcome, guys.
We shall use one motorbike or
No, we are going with all of them. They have fuel. Yeah, we fuel.
guys. Black is beauty, but black.
hot.
Hey,
Very hot.
So,
Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video. I'm heading to restaurant.
yeah.
Hey, Zembut.
Waone kabisa.
Oh guys, so here I go. It's lunchtime. My baby. Babu, Shkamo. That's my grandma, my grandpa. Brother to congrats dad. Look. See. Shayon. And this is how the views looks like. And I want to say thank you to Mr. Cecil for constructing this road here. Let's go. Anyway guys, we shall meet on the next videos while I'm in the restaurant. So I'm not sure about what I'm going to take it for lunch, but I have some pops for lunch time.
Guys, back below the road here. Below the road. So we are heading somewhere at least to check if we can get food to eat, because we are so hungry, guys. And we are at Nyabohanse place. Hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, so we have concentrated on driving. Now we are just also observing and
Bora
respecting.
nunimu gutina nego
We are respecting Nyabohanse driving law.
nunimu gutina nego. Guys, before I go to the restaurant, I have here some small issues, so I purchased some stuff here, but I didn't get money to pay, guys. Serious. I have here with my plumber. How are you?
Fine.
Yes, it's long time. You lost? I'm not lost. You know, because I know you give me something for plumbing, and right now not yet get money, but soon I will pay you.
Okay, no problem.
Imagine, guys, I have the humble plumber here, guys. Imagine he work for me until when I get money, I pay him, guys. So unaenda shingapi?
Around 350.
3,500.
Yes.
Okay, guys, that's almost 30 USD. And guys, but because of money I didn't get earlier, so I'm delaying.
Not every day that somebody has money.
Yes.
Sometimes you can.
Today I have, tomorrow
You don't.
I'm broke.
Yeah. So you have to understand the situation.
So right now you migrate from other side to this side here, guys. Let me show you. You see, guys. Inside here. You see, guys. So he migrates, and for me I have the bill of $30 for my plumber. And anyway, guys, in this case, when I get money, I'll pay him, man. Chacha. Achacha video no my number. That number ndoli nsumora. Nje misezi kula nyama. Oh guys, so I left the hardware. Anyway, I'm heading this way, so I want to have something else on my stomach right now, and my baby's over there. I hope I take the key. So you see mandazi here, man. Mama Faith, you know thanks. Hey, wait first, I make an order. Mimi nsungu tuna. Tangi nsungu. Na ugali wa miogo. Nipe watu waone jamani.
Nikupange waone.
Nipange waone. First priority, traffic. Kuna mbebikira mama turaragera.
Tata.
Na yetu tuna watsangi.
Hapo kuyambe maana anakoragera muchake hayo tuna.
Let me arrange my chair, guys, here. Hey.
So we are here.
You have a charging system here.
Yeah. Actually, let me tell you our subscribers.
Yes.
In Nyabohanse, this is the hotel that is a modern hotel right now, currently.
Yes.
And I want to just take this opportunity to tell our viewers
Yes.
that whenever you visit this place in Nyabohanse,
Yes. At Mama Faith.
the only thing that we don't have here maybe is the rooms.
Yeah,
the rooms
the
for
rooms.
Do you have the rooms for sleeping?
Accommodation.
Accommodation. Do you have accommodation here? So this is a restaurant, not a hotel. Our hotel is whereby you can be able to get also the rooms. So we are here in this. How do we call this restaurant? Blue Rock.
Yeah.
This is a Blue Rock. This is a Blue Rock hotel. Okay, you can just read this. Unaweza tu punguza sauti. Okay. Yeah, so we are here in this Blue Rock hotel, guys. We're gonna be having some lunch here from our brother Dagi. Brother Dagi has not been in the country, so he has just came. You understand very well, guys. If somebody has been in the village and is away, when you are come, you come. We tell you while you are away. So while you are away, you also to remember that we are here. So you want to spoil us? You want to spoil us here? So thank you very much, Brother Dagi, for bringing us here, for having this nice lunch.
Wow.
Although we haven't seen what you are eating.
So we are waiting, guys.
No, we have not even booked. We are not waiting.
You wait.
We haven't even ordered.
So let me see my food.
So Hello Baby has ordered a fish.
Me, I want locally ugali, brown one.
Welcome here in the village, guys.
So
There is,
here,
local food.
no more spaghetti. Here is pure ugali.
Ugali is not
Ugali.
local
You
food.
are eating in Qatar spaghetti, rice, my friend.
Here it's original food.
Food.
Yeah, original one.
Guys, this is a counter here. And we have soft drink. Let me show you guys. There's some drink.
Show them the drinks.
Yes. Guys, you see, it's a fridge. You have soft drink, you have yogurt, you have milk. Man, the branded juice. Hey!
Tell them that we are rich here. This hotel is rich.
Nilikuwa se kemero mbona hange kile kivya Korea. Imagine. So I want to show you right now here.
Those
What
are the
I'm-
hot spots that
yes,
wants the food to be
this one.
hot.
Yes, what I'm ordered here. Let's see. I hope no come. This is brown ugali, man. I'm telling you. Wow. Wow.
So that is African ugali.
Yes. Hey, pure.
Also that kind of ugali.
If you want white ugali, it's according.
Ask subscribers whether at their place they have got that kind of ugali.
Guys, let me come there. Hey, Onge.
Okay, guys, I have just a question. Hello Baby to show you this kind of ugali.
Brown ugali, man.
I'm asking you whether if there is your place you have got this kind of ugali, and if it is not there, which color do you have for ugali? Maybe
You know,
maybe yours is blue.
This is the favorite ugali here in the village. So once you eat this,
You know, it doesn't have a lot of sugar.
Yes.
People like it
Yes.
because
It's brown.
it is brown, and also it doesn't consider a lot of sugar.
yes,
And it has been made from finger millets.
yes.
That most of the people also they like having this kind of porridge. If they have been watching Marwa's video, Marwa like this kind of
Yeah,
porridge.
brown ugali. Yeah?
And I know for the crazy thing, people ask me, hello baby, did you finish that ugali? These are small, man. But it's the zooming of the camera, guys. Not
No, it is very big, don't lie. This one is very big, bro. That ugali is two people can eat it.
This is mine, and then I can add
You will
addition.
finish this one?
I add addition.
You'll add, we call it saucer.
I'm
here.
telling you.
I don't know what is the work of this. Even in hotel you have got it.
Anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next video. Mwah! My fish. This is my veg. Nye kama mwadi vitu zenu.
Umewatoa tena wewe nao. Unaweka supu kando.
Utatoka kando supu. Hey. What I'm talking about. Imagine, guys. And this unahitaji bakuli bo. It's created like a image of a fish. Look. What? That's when or ama. Tukazumu samaki yako.
Sasa. Na hii samaki ni nzuri. Mbona inakaa tofauti kama hizo zingine? Hii inakaa nyeupe nyeupe. Kama supu ndio nyeupe.
Wow, guys.
Nyanya ndio ilikuwa fire.
Sasa mimi nashindanga
Very nice.
Nimejaribu kwa
Mama
moja fulani samaki.
Hivi nyewe mnakula nini? Mimi nakula samaki.
Umepewa mpaka na sahani.
Nyewe mnakula nini?
Mwambia sahani inafanana samaki.
Yeah. You just order things that you want. You want chips? No problem.
Kwani tena tumekuja.
Yes.
Wewe mwenyewe umemaliza meza.
I'm helping the servant to serve. No problem.
Yaani hapa tunakula wewe boss nani? Boss sije tukala tutashinda bili.
Anyway, guys, welcome to my lunch here. Boss anaoda chakula yake. Dagiro la wansombo insu Tanzania murangi oge utakora.
Fresh.
I'm telling you, my friend, brown guy with fish. Try. If you come to my village, try. Try. No one who disturbing you. Brother Dagi, thank you so much.
Dada, kama hujui biashara, ana hapo ungepakua. Unajiongeza faster. Mboga ya kienyeji, how do you call it in English? Local vegetable.
A local vegetable.
Yeah.
You wait. Mbot utamanya kuhira babo kana ko mahapale balaga mbiga Dagi tatiga.
Where is it? And you man, you have put this. Hello baby has did this way, guys, for security.
Yes.
It's putting security so that if my hand pass to go here, you will see. So why are you attacking?
No sharing.
No sharing.
Until you get your food.
We don't share here, guys, because this is a hotel. We share home. Maybe if it is home, we can share.
How do you feel?
Good.
When Hello Baby is chewing and you are watching.
Good, bro.
Anyway, guys, I'm on the process of eating. Hey, brother.
Tangu ile Fellow the boy.
Wacha tu afanye pole pole. Wewe mama yangu anajua ananipanga.
Brother
Fellow the
Dagi.
boy here.
She's my mom.
For the first time tasting brown guy.
Wow, guys, for the first time.
2 years
This
later.
is
For the first time tasting.
yeah, here in Nyabohanse.
Oh, okay.
That's my home village. Eating brown ugari, guys. Okay? Welcome.
How do you call this one in Kikuria?
Kuria.
Kima ba marebo.
Yeah, guys, so you play with Google Translation.
Yeah.
So this
Kima ba
one is,
marebo.
yeah.
No problem.
So, guys, we want to welcome you. Welcome and eat with us.
This is now my favorite. I like it.
See what?
I like
Fellow the boy eating here.
having something different.
Fellow the boy
This
is eating
this is a
chicken
beef.
and
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, so I'm just over here from the restaurant. Actually, my friend took me to the restaurants for the first time, and I want to see the land here which we bought. So technically, guys, I want to check the land for my friend here, which I bought, and see how he's doing, you know. So I'm heading this way, and man, after restaurant, the food was tasting so nice, so delicious. Man, if you come to my country or in my village, just come and taste the brown ugali. I'm telling you, you'll never forget it, man. So anyway, I take you down as we proceed. Let's see, you know. So in case you're new here on this vlog for today, give a video a like and try to imagine another friend. He bought the land at this house, at the back of this house. Imagine. So I'm also the one who direct him to get the land, went to the survey and done everything the way I done for this land down here. Wow. So let's see. Wow. Oh guys, and this is tobacco here. There is around here, I'm telling you. And in case you made this vlog for today and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys, this maybe is your time to click these videos, subscribe, let me know in the comment section what do you think about today's videos. Are very, very special, and man, show me some love. I'm outside, so let's see. Okay, this Uncle Mo's home. He has a nice gate, you can see. Very wonderful job. Wow. So I'm heading deep, and then I'll go this way, man. Wow. Just follow this vlog, and you might get excited on my videos. Wow, guys, so that being said, earlier, it's not my land, but it's my friend's land. So maybe I'm in charge, maybe seeing what is going on there on that land, until when my friend came, maybe. So don't be confused that, oh, hello baby, dream come to reality, now you buy a land. My friend, I'm telling you, that land is for my friend. You know, it's not belong to me, I personality, no. Wow, let's see. Wow, so nowadays you see the road is very, very good. Even I use some few minutes to be near hands. Wow, so let's see. And in case you're new here on these videos, kindly guys show me some love, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. And actually there's the river's land over here that you see, and also when you come along the way, this is my friend's land here, which I bought last week, I think so. This one here. So Getriba lands reach here at this point, going this way. From this fence going this way, it's for my friend. Wow, come along with me and see what is going on. Wow, so this is the land here. Oh, oh, this is the local gates for now, but in future he will try to build the gate here. And also we have the groundnuts, we have beans, man. We have maize. Wow, wow, wow. For me, guys, as a hello baby, I feel good when maybe somebody gets a land near to my village. Maybe he'll come, maybe next year or any other year, he'll come with a new maybe design of the house, maybe design of anything. People can learn from there. So which I'm so grateful to be get a land for, maybe for my visitor. You know, maybe somebody came from another country, or somebody came from my country but are working for other country for so many long years ago, and when he get a land here, I will feel good, guys. Like this way here, I feel good. Like, man, I see just like it's so grateful to my mind. Like, oh man, it's maybe could me maybe going somewhere else, nobody know me, and then I get the land there. I feel so good when my friend get the land, man, with the house here. And anyway, this house, it's maybe in future it will be as a store here. So everything is good, and nothing will be destroyed here. So wow, had some kids are playing around side over there. So this is the toilet here, and I think this is the washroom, this is the toilet. So for meanwhile, it can use as a, maybe the mason use maybe in future, when maybe you want to build. And technically maybe by the end of December or by next year, we start fencing here by barbed wire, and also some posts like when we fence at the Jamaican uncle's land. So that is it. Wow, wow, wow. And we have some veggies here, we have kales. Wow, we thank God, man. Look. Alright, you have onions here. We have another one there. So guys, I feel like I could end my video here by saying thank you so much, by showing Hello Baby Official some love, guys. If I'm your son, show me some love, guys, by watching my video until the end, and don't skip ads. If I'm your brother and sister, brother and my sisters, show me some love as you watch my videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official here, the only baby in the village, guys. But stay tuned, more huge progress is coming, or huge project is coming soon, so stay tuned. So for me, I'm just like updating you early, and then you'll be getting there. So I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. And if the owner of this land watching this video, also I want to say thank you so much by keep trusting me up to now, and nothing might happen wrong. Don't mind on that. So I want to say thank you so much by keep trusting me. And I want maybe more than 100 people or 1,000 people trusting me, guys. Imagine, wow, to get a land for my friend, it's not easy, but only who know is God. So I wish you all a blessed day, guys. So we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. But for today, this vlog are very, very amazing. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please, this is your day to click on these videos by subscribing, and also share my videos to your family, share my videos to a friend. So if I can get like 500 people or 50 people sharing to 5 people sharing to 100 people my videos, I could get 500 subscriber within a 1 day. And maybe, let me say, for the next 5 days, I will be on 1,000+ subscriber. But soon I will be there, guys. So I don't want to talk much, and I shall see you on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Consider by supporting Hello Baby Official here, and the rest of YouTuber, guys, support in another way, guys. I want to say bye. I love you, guys.